In this video, we will see how to use the hash symbol in your Excel formulas or how helpful this can be. Believe me, this can make your life very easy. Now, it is currently available only on Office 365. Moreover, this is used for a spilled data range. We will see later what a spilled data range is. Let us see what will happen when we give a cell reference. For example, here we are giving cell reference in E7 and it refers to A7. What this does is this simply copies the data that is available in A7 to E7. Now this was a normal data range. When we apply a hash to this gives me a reference error. Why? Because this hash can be used only with a spilled data range. What is a spilled data range? A spilled data occurs when you apply a formula which spills over multiple cells. For example, the unique formula, sort, filter, formulas we are speaking about, specifically the functions, not the options that is already available here. We will see an example through the unique formula. We also have a separate video on unique formula. The link is given in the description of this video. So what happens when you apply the unique formula to this data range? It will simply remove the duplicates and give you unique values. Now, this is a spilled data range. You applied formula in one cell and you got values in multiple cells. How do you identify a spilled data range? It will always have a blue border and the formula will reside only in one cell. You can see the blue border over here and the formula is only in D7. Now the formula here is residing in cell D7 only, but it might be visible in other cells. So what I'll do is I'll just scroll up and down from desktop to mouse and just see the change in the formula bar. You notice that when we move from desktop to mouse, the formula bar gets grayed out. That means that the formula is only in cell D7. Now, let us see another example how this hash can be used. Remember, column D and E, the values that we have over here is a spilled data range. We applied a spill formula, that is unique formula. What I'll do here is I will simply give the reference of cell D7. This is the same cell which carries our formula. So just notice when we apply hash, the entire spilled data range gets copied over here. Now, the advantage of this feature is that whenever the original data is getting updated, this will also update automatically. Let us see this through an example. Now, this is a normal data range. So what I'll do is I'll type something over here and we will see that nothing will happen. Why? Because this is a normal data range. We need to convert this into a table. It is always suggested to use tables in Microsoft Excel. So I converted this data range into a table using Control T, that is a shortcut. Now I'll type something over here and still we see nothing happened because in the earlier formula I had not selected the entire table range. So I'll just change the formula. I just need to revisit the range. I'll apply the formula again, select the entire table range, and we'll see that automatically VideoCam will also get updated at both the places. If you try adding another item, let's see what will happen if you do that. I'll just change the name to Bluetooth headset and then see it is getting updated in the other spilled data ranges also. Let us try working with a table now. So remember, a table always uses relative referencing. So whenever you apply any formula to the table, you will see that in the cells down below also, you will see the same formula has been applied and the range is same because it uses relative referencing, relative cell referencing. Here, what I have done is I have simply multiplied the values given in column B by 2. So if you try and check the formula in each cell, the formula appears to be the same because a table uses relative cell referencing. Now, what will happen if we apply unique formula in the table itself. Remember, a table in itself has the spill properties. It has the spill behavior. So if you apply the unique formula, you should get an error. Why? Because it tries searching data within a data set. For example, when you apply a spilled formula or a formula that has spilled properties like unique, it searches for desktop, mouse, desktop, keyboards, mobile, tab, everything. So it creates a sort of a circular cycle or a reference. That is why it gives an error. Creating a table within a table can be possible only in Power Query, wherein we can have different tables inside one table. So here that is not possible, so we get a spill error. So this clearly explains that you cannot use the spillover formulas in an Excel table. Let us now see another example how this hash function is helpful for us. Here again I will apply the unique formula to get the unique set of values. I will apply only on column A. So when we apply this in column A, you get all the values that are unique. So now, since I want to show you what will happen when an additional item is inserted, I just removed a value from column A. Now again I have applied the formula for unique. So I get the unique values that are there. Let's assume that I need to enter the serial number over here. So how can I do that? I'll just write some formulas over here. You see what happened when I applied the count A formula. It shows a hash. However, I've selected a data range. Now let us do this again. I keep on selecting the data till the time it is on iPad. It shows the data range K7 to K14. The moment I bring it down to camera, it converts the same into hash. What does this mean? This means that it is a spilled data range. So you need not go through these two formulas that I'm using over here. This is only for the purpose of explaining how this hash helps us. So now I have 9 items over here, and based on the data, the serial number have been created. What if I enter another value in column A? So I will again have to change the formula over here, because initially when I applied that formula, I had not selected the entire table. So I'll select the entire table over here. I'll just edit the data range, or I'll just apply the formula again to select it till video cam. So what happens when I select till video cam? Automatically I get that serial number based on column K. I try and inserting a value again over here. I'll just write graphic card and see what happens. Graphic card is now visible in column J and K also. So this is how your hash function or your hash symbol is helpful, or it is helping you out. Now we also understand what a spilled data range is, what a spill formula is. Just to recollect, simply a formula that spills over multiple cells. Also, this is currently available only in Office 365. That's all for this video. Hope you like the content. For more related content, do subscribe to our channel. Keep liking, keep sharing. Thank you.